I've listened very carefully to what has been said, and Your Lordship, the Kenya National Commission does protect and promote fundamental human rights, both of the accused and of the victim. Your Lordship, I would join issue with my colleague and state that the victims have been waiting for this opportunity for 5 years. Listening to all that we've been told, that this court has been told, they seem to have filed applications relating to non-existent proceedings. The issue of jurisdiction, it must relate to existing proceedings. Proceedings that are already commenced and which exist, and then the court can be urged on issues of jurisdiction. As my learned friend has also said, there is no stay anywhere. And this court is as high a court as the Constitutional Court. Your Lordship, there is absolutely no reason why the victims should be waiting ad infinitum et tuum. It is necessary for this court to begin the process. And I think the prosecutor brought the case to court in its fullness so that proceedings may commence. And once they have commenced, then there will be a forum to canvass all those applications. And I dare say any devices to delay the trial, there will be a proper, convened and constituted forum to argue. But before the plea has been taken, we are talking about non-existent proceedings. That is not known to our criminal law. I urge Your Lordship, together with my colleagues, to commence the proceedings and let the rest follow. That is all.
I am of the view that even if plea is taken, the subjects will still be at liberty and will reserve their rights to pursue the intended constitutional petitions, which, if successful, could still even lead to orders that could declare the proceedings hearing a nullity. So in that event, I do not see any prejudice that the subjects would suffer should plea be taken at this stage. This court has been told that this matter has been in the courts for about 5 years in balancing the constitutional rights of the subjects before the court and those of the victims. It is my view that it is proper and fair that plea be taken so that this matter may be determined one way or the other. It is in the interest of both sides, therefore, the subjects do take plea hearing and to respond to the charges as urged by the prosecution and supported by counsel opportunity for the victims. In the circumstances, therefore, I am making the following orders. Number one, that the plea hearing be deferred for 7 days to enable the subjects who are absent today to be present with their advocates. Number two, that summons will issue to accused number 4, 10, and 11 to be present and to attend court on the date of plea. And number 3, I have noted that they have been out, no their custody, and are not brought under any warrants. Each of them who are present in the court will execute personal bonds of Kenya shillings 200,000 shillings with an undertaking that they must attend court on the date that is fixed for plea. And they said 7 days, so we are taking plea on 21st of November. So the orders of the courts.
I'll invite my senior, Mr. Victor Kamau from the Kenya National Commission of Human Rights, to give us some words on what has happened today.
Thank you very much. Yours, we have indeed today been experiencing a novel case, which is the first case to be brought under the International Crimes Act, number 16 of 2008, as you all know, to the atrocities committed after the 2017 elections. So they are elections related, and they are a very great progress that we are seeing perpetrators of those acts who are actually now security agents being brought to book. This is something we've been really trying for a long time, even in other cases, because the prosecution or perpetrator accountability is an extremely important part of closure for the victim. That those who caused the misfortune should actually be brought to account. And this is something that we hope will happen much more. There are very, very many other cases, and we hope to see this trend happening much, much more. We are very happy with what the court has said. We look forward to coming back on the path and definitely commencing these proceedings. We shall be representing the survivors of these horrors to the end. So we are delighted with the court's ruling. Thank you.